Hello, thank you for viewing our SciTech YouTube channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some HTC Preventative Maintenance and overall performance evaluation. That's an HTC box washer system. So right behind me we are currently refurbishing an HTC 8020 system. As you can see, the door's been removed, the Omron controller's out, and the chamber still needs some refinishing and cleaning here. But what we want to talk about are the spray arm assemblies. So the spray arm assemblies are located on both the top of each side and the bottom of both sides, and they are made up of a few pieces here. We call this the center hub and the overlay disc, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. In between the center hub and the overlay disc are a series of Teflon ball bearings. When these are in good shape, you should be able to flick the spray arm assembly and it should spin freely like that. If you go to your system and you flick the assembly and it wobbles at all like this as it spins, or it only is able to go around that much, it'll maybe only goes like that and then stops, you need to take a look at replacing those. The ball bearings inside there, when let me take a step back. After a lot of wear, the groove in between these two assemblies, or two pieces of the assembly, will wear wider and wider and wider. And as it does that, it gives flexibility for the Teflon ball bearings to move back and forth, kind of mash up, change shape, and prevent the proper rotation. Without proper rotation, you're going to have inconsistent cleaning results, and your cassettes or boxes are going to all come out with, like I said, a different cleaning result. And that's going to impact your process in the end by contaminating your substrates once they're loaded into these improperly cleaned cassettes. So take a look at these parts right here, and if yours is not spinning as freely as you see right here, give us a call at 916-797-9000, and we'll go ahead and walk you through taking a closer look and getting a quote for you. Thanks so much.